Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn layer editing options. Let's upload a photo. On the left corner we see edit image. If we click it, we will see effects, adjustments and crop, which we have talked on previous videos before. Then we have flip option to flip the layer. This is information about your layer. This is border style of the layer. Animate option, to animate the layer. Position of the layer, where do you want your layer to be on position? Then you have transparency of the layer. You can lock the layer if you don't want to work with it anymore. Also you can unlock it when you want. Let's try with another layer how it looks. If we duplicate the layer, you can select them together and make a group. Then together you can position them where you want. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.